Good morning, children. Today we'll see the revision 2. I'll ask you the odd one out, any one from this. Okay, and I'll also ask you the match. It's all the simple, no need to explain for you. Okay, and ask any two from this match. And this is a one word answers. Female part of the plant is pistil, and the leaf we used as a food, that is a coriander. For the rasam and all, our mom used a coriander leaf. It's in a good flavor and also good for health. The question answer: define a photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is nothing but preparing their own food by help of the chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. So if they get the sunlight, the plant will grow very well. So these are the season name. For example, January, December will get a winter, and in a May month we'll get a summer. So these are the different seasons in our. And also I'll ask you the leaf picture to draw. We have to draw it for a 5 marks. The leaf or the insect in the life of animal. And you all know this match, right? The reduce, reuse, recycle, it's a 3 R's. And stainless steel is a eco-friendly material. And different color bins, red and blue, green. These are the bins and their uses. You all know this. I'll ask any two match the following and name the following. This will be asked two from this. See, best example, recyclable, it's a glass and metal. How you can reuse it? Old clothes we can reuse it, and pickle jar we can use for storing the provisions. And eco-friendly material, stainless steel and leaf plant. So leaf plant is a plate, is a biodegradable plate. And you all know this odd one out. You have to just circle the odd one. See, clothes and pickle jar and refill pen. Refill pen you can be reuse and refill the ink and you can reuse it. So this is a odd one out. And clothes and pickle jar, it's a reuse item, and refill is different from this, so it's a odd one out. Next, plastic plate, plastic box and dry leaf. These are the non-biodegradable item, and dry leaf is a different one. So that's the odd one out. Next, we'll move to the question answer. You all know 3 R's. It's a reduce, reuse and recycle. Biodegradable. You all know this, right? What are the items? It's a plant or animal things. It will be deposited in the sand. It will not affect our environment. So it's degraded by the other living organism. So it's a biodegradable waste. And what is the eco-friendly material? Which is beneficial to the environment. It's not harm to our humans or animals, anyone. So that's a eco-friendly material. Next question, what is a composite? Composites are soil fertilizer. The garbage people, they collect the waste from our home. For example, our kitchen waste, that is a food items waste. Food waste they collected and add up the minerals or other fertilizers and make it into, decompose it, and they making as a soil fertilizer by using the biodegradable waste. Next, we'll move to the next lesson. I'll ask any two match from this lesson. Wingless insect, without the wings. The insect is called a silverfish. And owl, that is a group of owls called a parliament. And ask you any name of the following, any one things from this, and even an odd one out. In this lesson I'll ask you any one or two odd ones. Next we'll move to the question answer. That is a echolocation. Bats produce a ultrasonic sound which helps the bat to find their way at night. So even in the night, they always lived in the cave or any trees or plants, anything, but they find their way because they can't use their eyes. They'll just make their ultrasonic sound. They make a sound from their mouth and they'll get the echo. So if they get a echo, they'll find any obstacles before them or it's a way inside them. So they'll find a easy way in their night and find out the objects on their path. This is called a echolocation. And nocturnal animal. Some animals sleep in the daytime and are very active at the night. Such animals are called a nocturnal animal. Example, owl. And also I told you I'll ask the picture to draw for a 5 marks. You have to mark the even the parts of the insects. I'll ask you any one, the insect or the leaf diagram. Okay, the revision 2 is completed. Thank you.